Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, natural gas now trading around $3.8396. What we have seen, there is a continuous upside, but the gap is still pending because we have seen there is a sharp rise at a level of 3. And the price has not stopped that level, and we have seen it was a sharp rise towards $4.53. See why this happened. 3 things are important at this level. First, the Greenland issue was there. Second thing was that at this particular level, when the price was around 2.8, if you see this particular level, as soon as the price started going below this level, there is a higher chance that it can go further down, because if you look at this level, all these levels are being weak. A level of 2.6 is weak, 2.8 is weak. So in order to trap all these sellers, okay, the price has made a sharp rise. If the price has made a sharp rise towards 3.4, it can be handled. But if the position size is big, it can be handled till 3.6 or 3.8. But it is a big trap where we have seen if the capital is huge or your quantity is huge, the capital can be wiped out at these levels. So you have to remember, always try to put your SL, which is very important to save the capital, because see, you have to understand, if you try to get 1% minus in a day, that is good to trade in the next week or the next day. But if you lose your capital, that is very important, because see, if you lose your capital, you cannot trade in the next day. Okay, so remember that this is all a trapping situations. Whenever there is whenever there is kind of pattern is forming, because see, this pattern can be seen by everybody. Okay, so there can be a situation, trapping situation. So always remember to trail your SL if you're in profit, and whenever you start to trade, put your SL so your capital can be saved. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Now let's see if the price sustain this level. What we can see, if it sustain, it can move towards $3.89. Okay, this is the level we can see. Okay, but if the price keep moving off this level, probability of going towards 3.94, as you can see in the chart, 3.94. okay, at this level, which is today's high. So once started sustaining this level, we can see the trend will go upside and it will cross a level of $4, because this 4 is already weak. So we can see the price will rise above that level and it will cross a level of 4.12, because this is also being weak. So price will go towards a level of 4.12. Then there will be a zone breakout, so probability will be very high. It will move towards $4.3 and it will touch a level of 4.5. There is a higher chance of touching 4.5 if the price sustain above a level of $4. Okay, so after $4, what you can do, you can trail your SL, so profit will be saved by 0.25. that is what best we your SL by 0.25, so at least you will capture an upside movement. Okay, so once started going higher, we can see there is a probability of going towards 4.2 to a level of around 4.35, then to a level of 4.45, and then it will move out this level and then a further upside. But suppose if it started coming down, what you can see, suppose if it started coming down, it can come down and cross a level of 3.74, because this is already weak level, and from there it can move towards $3.62. And once the price falling below 3.62, a further downfall can be seen towards $9. Okay, from 3.39 a bounce back can be seen, but if the price didn't bounce back, it can come down towards $3.12, and if the price fall below this level, chance of going towards $3 can be seen. And if the price fall below $3, this gap will be filled towards a level of 2.92. okay, and then this pattern will support a downside, so chance of going towards 2.7 or further fall can be seen. Trail your SL as soon as the price started going below $3, or if it started going below 3.34, because that is a strong level. Okay, so at least you will capture downside movement.